Yeah. What's that? Where is that shit? There it is.
We quit transmission, bro. He's like, all right, I'm ready to go. Next time I bring you I got this first. Got him. We've been in the same group chat for 5 years. Sunday morning, 11 a.m. Concrete Road off North.
You want to race my fucking Evo? I just got that yesterday, but you don't want to race my
Yeah, it'd be hot as fuck. I gotta drive for now. He's like, so I gotta drive 2 hours to wait. I'm like, that's what we always do. We always race that fucking point in turn.
in front of his house. That's what you do.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, I don't feel like walking to my fucking
I
car.
won't race tomorrow.
Larry.
I've been a Bell Blaze, you know.
Yeah? I was looking at one of those too, but they said I had to
He says he feels so good.
That's fine. Bro, this kid was on the phone with everybody and told me numbers. I wasn't even talking to him. Bro, he was tripping the fuck out trying to beat my car. Like, yo, bro, you think I can beat this Acura TL? Everybody told his ass no.
never heard those words come out my mouth.
We did it. What?
He was gone for a long time.
What?
Yeah, I was talking to my girl,
Bro was stressing. Bro was stressing over this.